to TL Meyerink with Isabel and Abigail Meyerink. Today we're doing a soda pop challenge. We have to we have to guess what kind these are. We aren't going to wear blindfolds, but my mom does know what they are, and we did not go to the store and pick these out with her. So we have no idea what these are. And we're going to start from 5 to 1, because we just chose to.
And I will go first.
We're going to go at the same time, I think, right?
But they're not 2 5s.
Okay.
I don't know what to do.
Okay. So, first we're going to try. I'll go first. Oh! That's coffee. That is coffee.
Oh, coffee.
That's coffee.
Seriously, Mom.
I like
Why?
coffee. Not soda. Not coffee soda.
Seriously.
Appetizing.
Seriously, Mom. You're gonna kill me. Why did you get this?
I give this a thumbs down.
Me too.
Okay. Now we're doing number 4.
And ignore that sound. That's my baby sister.
Okay, you can go first this time.
It tastes kind of limey stuff.
Sprite?
Lime?
Is it Sprite, Mom?
Lime? Sprite lime?
Is it Sprite?
Lime Sprite?
No, it's not Sprite.
Lime?
Oh, it's that monster stuff. It's like
Lime?
It's like lemon lime.
Passion fruit and lime.
Well, there was lime in it.
Good call,
Yeah.
Peanut. Fungal fruit, passion fruit, and lime.
Okay.
Ooh.
So now we have number 3. I'm going first. And just off, I smelt it, and it smells like a Shirley Temple. So. That's cherry soda.
I bet it's cherry.
Is it cherry soda, Mom?
Kind of cherry.
You are
kind
correct.
of grape. For me, it tastes cherry grapey.
I would drink this. So I
Yeah.
give that a thumbs up. Oh, and this one, I give that a thumbs up.
I have 2 thumbs up.
4?
These 2 and this one down.
Oh, that's nasty. Okay. So now we have this one. Close it. Oh, yeah.
I'm scared.
Go.
Ooh. Tastes like grape. It's grape.
Pepsi.
Grape.
Mommy, this is the Pepsi.
Grape.
The Pepsi.
Grape.
This tastes like Pepsi.
Grape. Mom, grape. It's a
Grape.
grape.
Grape juice stuff. Fizzy grape juice.
It's called swamp juice fruity mix.
Can I have another drink?
That's awkward. Okay. Lost is this one. Oh, actually, I give this one a thumbs up too. Like, I think that the only bad one will be this. Since
Yeah.
this is green and I love green. So, let's try this.
And she also loves green apple.
Oh.
Whoa.
Like
Lime.
apple cinnamon.
Lime? Is it?
Oh, lemon lime, like the monster things. Lemon lime.
No, it's Jelly Belly lemon soda.
That is not. Oh, actually, I did see a Jelly Belly sign up there because I looked at the pop, like a little pop.
Can I drink all of this now?
Mm-hmm.
Yay.
Okay. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe down below. And goodbye.
Yeah.